Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your Wi-Fi network on TCL Sweeva 6500. If you have changed your Wi-Fi network's SSID or password, and your robot cannot connect anymore, or you just want to connect it to a different network that you have, just first go into your app and select your robot. Then click on three dots in the top right corner and click on remove device. Then click on confirm. Now it's removed. Then you can add it again so it connects to the new Wi-Fi. To do it, click on add devices, then select your robot, then press and hold the home and power buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. That's what I'm doing right now. 1, 2, 3. Now you can release these buttons.
Start network configuration.
And when it says that it starts network configuration, you can click on next. Then click on for sure. Then select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect it to and enter its password. So it will be sent to the robot so it can connect. Then click on next. Now it will ask you to join the TCL network. Join that. And if there's an error after clicking that, go into your Wi-Fi on your phone, then make sure that you're connected to the TCL network. And if you're not, just connect to it manually. But for me it has worked, and now I'm almost all set.
It worked successfully.
And now you're connected, you can click on remote, and that's done. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.